Respected students, welcome back everyone. Today's video is different video. Many of our candidates had messaged me on Instagram. Which one is the best, whether the remote, hybrid or office? Okay, so from my personal experience, I will tell you all the important points which job is the best. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. I had work on remote job as well, remote work culture, hybrid work culture also, and office work culture also. So from my personal experience, properly what I have seen, that I will tell you in this video. So before starting the video, if you are new on our channel, make sure you are subscribing and pressing bell icon for all upcoming videos, and follow us on social media, especially Instagram, Telegram. Okay? Even this video I am making by the messages I have got on Instagram only. So that if you message me on social media, I can make video on it. Okay, now let's start with the video properly. See, what personally I think is that if you are bachelor, if you are not married, if you are bachelor, and for example, you are living in Pune district or Hyderabad or Bangalore or Chennai or somewhere near 100-150 kilometers from your house, make sure you are going for office job and hybrid job only. Okay? Once again, I will repeat, if you are bachelor, if you are single, if you are not married, and you are living somewhere near 100-150 kilometers from Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Gurgaon, whatever IT hubs are there in India, Kochi and all those things, you can go for office or hybrid job only. See, for me, I had work on all three work cultures, so I would go for hybrid job. Hybrid is the best. Okay? I will tell you everything properly why. So now let's start with remote work. So what are the pros of it? See, remote flexibility. Remote work offers the flexibility to set your own schedule and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Yeah, this is the point actually. In remote job, na, if you are having shift timings like 9 to 6, 11 to 8, all those things are there, na, that doesn't matter that level, frankly speaking. In remote job, for example, if you are having shift from 11 to 8, now sometimes if you have any personal problems like hospital, what we say that, if you have anything work in hospital or other stuff, you can say that I will be logging half an hour 1 hour late today, and I will be working after shift gets over at 8, 1 hour I can extend there. So like these things are there in a remote job. And the main point is, for example, if you are having 6 lakhs of package, so let's say 50,000, and you will get in hand like 44-45,000. So the traveling cost which is there, or how much you need to pay in PG or for flat, that money which is going, that will not go in remote job. Also you will get food of your home and all those things will happen, so that money will be saved in remote job. Okay? But the problem in remote job is that you will not have that team exposure properly. Okay? If your client is Indian, or if he is visiting the office, for example, so you will not be able to interact with client, that front to front, what we say now, that you can't do in remote job. That exposure you will not get. For example, what I have observed now, for example, if XYZ person is there, see, if he is working from home, and when you go to office, when you meet, when you have interaction with team, other team members, your managers, your client, or many other things, whatever there, so they know you personally properly. Okay? So that's the best thing of hybrid or office job, especially hybrid. I would say I don't prefer office job, frankly speaking. 5 days of office is not at all good. If you are bachelor, then it's okay. Okay? So productivity, some people find they are more productive in remote environment with fewer distraction. This is the best point. In remote job there are no distraction. That is the best thing of remote job. In remote job there are no distraction. If once in a blue moon, like we can see in a month, 1 month, there are some of the situation, like for example, let's see in our data analytics, if you have to write DAX or SQL queries or Python, anything, some of the queries are really very hard. At that time you need proper R&D. Okay? So that time in office you can't do that properly. Yeah, I know that, because I had also work on office. But when you are at home, you can visit some of the YouTube channels, some of the best blogs, and you will get that proper what we say, without distraction. You can find, you can do that R&D properly. Yeah, in remote job, no distractions are there, less expenses are there, flexibility on schedule, everything is there. But cons are that team exposure zero, client team everything zero. ठीक है? Hybrid. See, personally, why I prefer hybrid, because at least on Tuesday and Thursday, these are business days, business operation meetings are there, these are business days. At least on those days we have client meeting. Okay, if your client is from US, UK, whenever, from wherever it is, if you will have that proper team meeting with your client. Okay, client will be, we will have teams call, or mostly teams call is only there. So if your team is sitting in that meeting room and properly that full TV is there, from their client will be online, his video will be on, he will able to see properly you, you will have interaction, one to one interaction will be there. So that's the best thing. See, always be showcase or visible to your clients. Your client should know who is this XYZ person. Let's say your name is Virat Kohli, so he should know that Virat Kohli is working on SQL part, he's working on Power BI, he's creating BRS document, he's what we say, validating the reports, he's coming with this, that, different. He should know, you should have the exposure to clients. Not only in sprint review or sprint planning you will be speaking, in business operation meetings you should able to speak, in backlog refinement you should be able to speak. Okay? These are the most important thing. If any additional value if you are providing to your reports, or that you should be able to demo properly. That's the best thing about hybrid meeting, especially on Tuesday and Thursday if you are going to office and having one to one or team to client call directly on video call. Okay? Also, hybrid work has a better work life balance. I personally believe that if you are only working in remote now, you will have that what we say, that you will be lazy in that case. But in hybrid, if 2 days you are going to office, you will have that office work culture also around you. If you really want to be professional IT person, and you want to really grow from software engineer to senior software engineer to technical architect to delivery manager, all this hierarchy which is there now, so you should know that office culture very properly, office culture as well as office politics. Not in every company office politics is there. Some of the companies really have good work life balance and good culture, but especially many companies has office politics also. So you should be able to tackle that office politics also. Okay? In a hybrid work culture, what I've seen now, employees satisfied and happy. Frankly speaking, I am really satisfied, happy with hybrid work culture. ठीक है. So that's, and one more thing is that if you are working 3 days from home, and if you really have any problem in the project, so next day directly you are going to meet everyone in office, so there you can tell, this is the problem, this is where our project is stuck. Then if the problem is really very big, then you can have POC on that day practically in front of everyone, and you can come with any one solution, final solution to it. That's the best thing about hybrid. That's the reason why I select hybrid. ठीक है. और there is also one culture, rather than remote hybrid or office, this one culture actually many people don't know. In very less companies it is follows, that like remote only it is there, but in a quarter, you know that 3 months quarter is there, in a quarter 2 weeks they call to office, or 1 week they call to office, and then in that one quarter, that 1 week or 2 week, everyone will meet, everyone will have that meeting, that roadmap will be created for next quarter, everything it is there. This is also one culture. It is also good, no doubt, but hybrid is the best part, weekly meeting. ठीक है. Office work, what are the pros of office? See, office work, if you are married and especially having kids now, then I would say don't prefer for office work. Even if your office is like 10-15 kilometers away from your home, or like 2-3 kilometers away, make sure you are going for a hybrid only. I personally don't like office. If you are bachelor, ठीक है, if you are like 20 to 23, and if you are living nearby only from office like PG or on any flat, then it's okay. But I would prefer that don't go for office completely. I would prefer, because even if you are living nearby from office, see, there are rainy seasons, rainy season is there. Then in winter also, if your shift timing is from 9 to 6, then at morning you need to wake up and all those things. So please try to avoid office, and especially those who are going with some different activities, like converting experience and all those things, please don't go for work from office, because you can't work there properly if you are converting your experience, or some of people show documents and all those things stuff they do from backend. We don't support it, but some of the people do that. So don't go for office, always go for remote, those who are these types of students, or go for hybrid, but don't go for office. ठीक है, but in office what is there, pros are there, face to face collaboration every day. But yeah, due to this, frankly speaking, this face to face collaboration na, you will be pissed off to that front person, and also that office politics also starts if daily you are having face to face collaboration, and due to small small things many things will happen. ठीक है, हाँ, but the best thing what I have written at the second point, immediate feedback. Yeah, this is the best part about office work. ठीक है, I told you in hybrid work culture, if you are having any problem, then next day you are meeting, then you are solving all those things. But in office, 5 days, if office is done, immediate feedback is there. Yeah, that's the best thing, yeah, about office work. Whatever, for example, let's say that in remote job, if in a month, for example, is 60% work is done, so in hybrid it will be 70-75%, but in case of office it will be 90-95%. Yeah, that I am sure. The reason is because immediate feedback, everything, whole your team will be sitting in that one desk only, everyone will be having interaction on the spot, things will be solved. This is the best part about office work. ठीक है. Again, see, location, what I have written in cons, location may affect limited flexibility, and can time consuming. Traveling can also be time consuming, all those things. ठीक है. So properly I have explained you remote job versus hybrid job versus office work. ठीक है. If you have any doubt, make sure you are commenting. I will reply you within 1 hour. Also, you can message me on Instagram. But again, I am telling you, you can go with, if you are bachelor, ठीक है, if you are living in IT hub districts like Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Gurgaon, then go for hybrid or office work, especially hybrid only. If you are married, try to go for remote or hybrid, don't go for office. If you are doing some other stuff like converting experience or showing documents and all those things, then go for remote only, or if not possible, go for hybrid only, but don't go for office. ठीक है, ऑफिस यू कैन डू ओनली इन वन कंडीशन, if they are calling you compulsory, otherwise your job will be in danger, then go for office. Or if you are fresher, they are giving you training daily, then you can go for office. But at least about 25-26 age, I would not prefer daily work from office. Okay, that's my personal opinion. ठीक है. So thank you everyone. If you have any doubt, make sure you are commenting, I will reply you. Thanks for watching till end. You can also watch our whole playlist also. Playlist is given in description box. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon for all upcoming videos. Thanks a lot.